How does it feel? तुम तो बहुत डरी हुई थी एग्जाम से पहले. You used to be always coming. मेरा तो नहीं होगा सर, मेरे से तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा. अब कैसा लग रहा है?
It feels like an unbelievable moment because I was so scared before the exam, and now it feels like on the top of the world.
But were you expecting this result?
I was expecting this result because already I had got a
आंसर की तो आई चुकी थी तो. So I मतलब आंसर की से पहले what was your thought?
आंसर की से पहले I was expecting 780 above, but
अच्छा.
After answer key came, my score was 788. I was
हाँ,
scared,
हाँ.
but then after the final answer key, it became 794.
So कौन से वाले सब्जेक्ट तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा डराया?
English. English is so different from what we've studied so far, so उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा डर है.
इंग्लिश में ही डर लगता है सबसे ज्यादा. But what did you do specifically for that?
I followed the material that you gave and the books that you said to have. So I did all of them, and then I did a lot of practice for English. Practicing.
Vocab. Was it vocab? I know for you vocab is like हर दिन तुम आकर के vocab पूछती थी. इसका क्या करना है, इसका क्या करना है?
I used to do vocabulary a lot because then you said that the exam would be on vocab. So after that, I did it really well.
Okay. And what are the other subjects that you focused on?
For other subjects, I'd say I had history, pol science, and psychology. For that, NCERT was enough. So I had done that already for boards. So for CUET, it was just a revision and then questions.
So कहाँ से questions कैसे prepare करे? What did you do? What was your strategy for that? Those.
For questions, I followed some reference books which I had purchased. And then I had focused very much on NCERT and the little details that we have in the boxes. Also, I had to focus on the deleted portion because we've not studied that in.
कितना deleted portion होगा तुम्हारे वाले subjects में? किस में deleted portion ज़्यादा था?
Political science में बहुत ज़्यादा था because we have 2 books there. History में भी था and in psychology we had just 2 chapters.
अच्छा, तो ये जो deleted portions है उसको ढंग से पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. हाँ. Otherwise it kind of goes away. And I think that's very important. Any other tip that you want to give to the students कि यार ये करना है CUET के preparation के लिए, अगर किसी को next time top करना है तो what is the right thing?
I would just say that after boards, it feels like we have done a lot of preparation and hard work, and we want some time to relax. But that's the time to prepare actually. And after CUET, we get a lot of time. So I would just say to practice the OMR sheet, to focus on NCERT, and just to have a cool state of mind before giving the exam because that is really important. And then it's done.
Stay calm, stay cool. खूब सारा फोन देखा कि नहीं देखा?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्या फोन को साइड कर दिया?
Even I'd say I had this target that I'll get my personal phone only after 12th and CUET.
Wow. Have you got it now?
I've got it now and I'm so happy now.
Very nice. So I'm so happy and keep rocking.
Thank
and
you.
I'm so happy.